This is Brianna Brown and Damian Schwindeman presenting Gloeocapsa magma.
Gloeocapsa magma is part of the cyanobacterium. So since it's part of that ancient line of bacteria that is photosynthetic, it is able to photolyze water-generating oxygen gas. Photolyze is a chemical reaction in which molecules from a chemical compound are broken down, typically by photons. As you can see on the bottom picture, this bacteria is found on shingles of roofs. It may look like an algae, but it is indeed not algae. It is a gram-negative bacteria and can be spread by wind or sometimes animals. It gained notoriety in the 60s in the southeastern part of the US, but has now spread to all parts of the US as well as Canada. This bacteria is found on roofs of the house. It often leaves homeowners very frustrated because it makes the roof of the house look very dirty.
Gloeocapsa magma can have a high impact on homeowners. This rapidly spreading cyanobacteria can cause lots of house damage. For example, it is damaging to the shingles and can leave a black stain or black streak on the roof. Furthermore, it limits the ability of your roof to reflect UV rays, so it can cause higher air conditioning bills. This is due to the UV coating the bacteria possesses. Finally, it can also be harmful to humans in large amounts.
The bacteria can have some negative health effects, especially for those who have allergies. They're just more prone to having more flare ups. So the particles give off an airborne toxin around your house, and that can be pretty harmful when inhaled, especially for individuals who are already sick. Gloeocapsa magma staining properties come from the shingles having limestone granules on them. That is basically a food source for it, so it's more likely to thrive more. Since many don't really like how it looks on the roof, they will try to get rid of it. There are two ways to do this: sodium hypochlorite and copper sulfate. Sodium hypochlorite is basically bleach. These two ways are really good at getting rid of the bacteria, but they are very known to be damaging to the shingles. So many are looking for a way that will not be as damaging, which is a detergent mix, and they proportionally spread it out so it's not as potent. And this can be done professionally as seen in the picture. When a roof is done or cleaned professionally, it is also combined with a power wash, as with the detergent, as the power wash helps forcefully remove the bacteria.
One crazy story about this microbe is that it was able to survive in space for about a year and a half. The specific microbe OU20 was able to endure extreme temperatures, UV rays, cosmic rays, dehydration, and extreme anaerobic conditions. Part of the reason it was able to survive in space is because of its UV coating. The UV coating is made up of MAAs, which are mycosporine-like amino acids, and they function as a microbial sunscreen for the cell. Also, the original sample is still being stored today after surviving 553 days in space.